Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Juan, Otero, co-founder and CEO of Travala. Juan, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me here. Thanks.
Tell us about Travala and how you are different from other online travel agencies like Hotels.com and Priceline.
Travala is a blockchain-based travel booking marketplace. We boost over 3 million travel products across 230 countries worldwide. The value proposition from Travala.com is bolstered by the native token AVA as the native token of the platform, as well as another 50 cryptocurrencies that we accept as payment methods on the platform. We're doing over $1 million per week in gross booking value, and we have over 200,000 monthly active users. What we try to do here is improve the overall travel booking experience with blockchain technology. And we have seen a significant amount of growth over the last few years since we founded the company back in 2017.
So Juan, how was your business, which is relying on travel, impacted by the pandemic?
It's been a difficult last 18 months. Obviously, we saw a lot of growth year on year. We did manage to still grow 5x on 2019 versus the previous year, 2018. But when the pandemic hit, we saw a 90% decrease in revenue, in volume. I think that was something that happened across the board to all travel startups. Within or without the blockchain space, obviously. And we quickly moved into adapting to make sure that we were sharing the right amount of information to our users in terms of changes in policies, in cancellation policies, refund policies, and so on, and making sure that everybody was informed. But we also took an approach to focus on building, on continuing to develop the product. And that actually played well for us, allowed the team to kind of take a bit of a breathing space from that continuous growth that we were dealing with, and allow us to put more time into focusing on the product. Because Travala.com is so globally distributed, as soon as the different travel restrictions started to ease in different locations across the world, we quickly started to see different pockets of demand coming up, with domestic travel obviously moving to pre-pandemic levels in many destinations. International travel still remains probably around 30% or less than what we were seeing pre-pandemic levels, but we are confident that we have a significant amount of pent-up demand that is obviously going to accelerate growth post the pandemic.
So we know that travel, at least consumer travel, is rebounding this summer. Are people using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to pay for travel? And why do you think they're doing that?
Absolutely. I think there's a number of advantages. Obviously, people that hold crypto are, becoming used to, spend crypto for everyday expenses. When you book on Travala.com, you enjoy exclusive discounts when you pay with cryptocurrency, particularly if you use our native token AVA. But as I mentioned, we offer over 50 different cryptocurrency payment methods, as well as traditional payment methods like credit cards. We've seen great increase in the percentage of bookings paid with crypto. At the moment, it's over 70% of the total bookings made on the platform, from hotels to flights and activities, that pay with cryptocurrencies. Obviously, with our native token AVA being the main one, followed by Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also a selection of different cryptocurrency payment options. And also we integrate Binance Pay, which allows users to pay directly from the Binance exchange, and a number of other payment options. But yeah, definitely a big increase in adoption. I think it goes in line with the overall adoption of cryptocurrencies and crypto as a payment method. Users take advantage of the additional discounts or the improved price when you pay with cryptocurrency. Is also an easy way to pay rather than having to use all the traditional payment methods.
So Juan, to wrap up here, my question to you is, if you pay in a dollar, in your books what a dollar looks like. How do you manage that with the volatility and the fluctuation that you see in crypto?
We see a lot of users paying with the stable coins as well, from USDC to USDT and other types of stable coins. But the way our platform works is that when you make a payment, regardless of the cryptocurrency that you use, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a native token AVA, that is converted into stable coin at the moment you make the payment. And then obviously we convert that into fiat to pay our different travel suppliers. So we don't really take any risks in terms of volatility, particularly because the travel suppliers, in this case, hotels and so on, they're not accepting cryptocurrencies yet. Hopefully, as we continue to work, we will see potentially a lot of these, hotel chains and individual hotel suppliers or travel suppliers start to accept cryptocurrencies as well. But for the time being, we avoid the volatility by converting those crypto payments into stable coins and then fiat.
Got it. Appreciate you clearing that up. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Market Reporter at Nasdaq.
No worries. Thanks for having me here today.